An author will often compare two things that are not similar. So right here we see the sentence that says, Joseph ran like a deer. Now, the sentence is comparing Joseph to a deer. Now, are Joseph and a deer similar? No, not at all. They're much different. Joseph is a human, and a deer is an animal. Now, the reason these two things are compared to each other, the reason Joseph is compared to the deer, is to tell how Joseph ran. Because right here it says that Joseph ran like a deer. Now, how does a deer run? If you've ever seen a deer run, you probably noticed that it's very fast. And it's also very graceful. If you've ever seen a deer running and it encounters a fence, it doesn't go around the fence, it just leaps over the fence. And so it's very graceful and it's fun to watch it run. So the sentence is saying Joseph runs like a deer, which means Joseph runs fast and he runs gracefully. So that's why this comparison here is made. It's to help you better understand how Joseph runs. So in this case, the author used like to compare Joseph to the deer. Joseph ran like a deer. Or the sentence could also say Joseph ran as a deer. Now, sometimes those words aren't used. Look at this example. Books are an ocean of information. Here we don't see the word like and we don't see the word as. But here, books are compared to an ocean. So here, it was saying that Joseph is like a deer. He's similar to a deer. In this case, it's saying that books are an ocean. Now, we know the author doesn't actually mean that books are an ocean, because books aren't an ocean. But when you think of an ocean, what do you think of? Large. And that's pretty much the main thing you think of when you think of an ocean. It's just huge. So the reason this comparison here is made is to show you that books have lots of information. They have a large amount of information. If you look at an ocean, it just goes on and on forever. Well, that's what this sentence is trying to say, that the information in books just goes on and on and on. All the things you can learn from a book just go on and on forever. And so comparison helps the reader to understand the similarities between two different words.
To find out more about how to ace your test and get more practice for your test, click the study guide. Learn why Mometrix is the best and smartest decision you can make for your test prep choice. We have done all the work cutting through the fluff to give you what you need to perform well on your exam. Click the study guide to get started now, and thank you for watching and learning with us.